Okay, welcome to me. Okay, today I will learn about unit. No, unit is the most important in AutoCAD. So first of all, we set the unit. UN. We use unit three types. It's one and this icon and drawing utilities the units and our option is UN the units. Okay, the three is also same. Okay, we the position is okay. We can use many kinds of units. Inches, feet, use survey feet, miles, millimeters. But we recommend in mechanical drawing, I we use the millimeters. Okay, set the millimeters in the decimal also. Okay, that is the limit. Okay, now we check our limits. Okay, line command and use 20 enter. Okay, we can measure this this look at the 20. Okay, we